One of the students in the early years of teaching at Fort Lee College, because I was very involved in the classroom setting, I had a young lady who had graduated from a certified nursing assistant program. It was significant because she had not graduated from high school and she had always wanted to enter into healthcare. She was a single mother with a couple of children. After graduating from that simple program, but significant program, she came back to me and informed me that because of the training that she had received, the quality of the training, the broad knowledge of information she had received at that level, she was able to, for the first time in her life, buy a Christmas tree for her children before Christmas. And I was astounded, and I was trying to understand what she meant, because I knew a lot of people bought their tree the day before Christmas and they decorated Christmas Eve. But what she explained to me, that she never did that. She would have to wait until the lots closed after midnight, and she would go to a closed lot and take a tree from a closed lot and take it home because she did not have the money to purchase a tree. That was significant. She was also able, for the first time, able to buy a vehicle. And she was jumping with joy when she came to show me her keys, that now she had transportation for her children. She was able to buy a tree, and she said, "Ms. Smith, I bought gifts for my children, and they were wrapped and placed under the tree before Christmas." For those of us who may not have to worry about those types of things, for others it's significant, and it was a turning point in her life. I've had a young man who was in the program, and I knew he was not doing his very best. He was due to graduate from the vocational nurse program, and I informed him that I was not going to sign his certificate because I knew he had not done his best. Surely, he was very angry, but he did what was required, and he stayed an extra semester in school. At the end, he came to me and thanked me for it, because he knew he learned much more information that had not attained prior. That young man today is a registered nurse. He moved to Texas. He's doing extremely well, and he continues to thank me, and this is 10, 15 years later, for making this decision to encourage him to be his best. We have had a number of students over the years who have success stories, riding the bus to school, 2 or 3 buses, getting up at 5 o'clock, walking in the rain for an hour just to get to school because they were determined to come to Fort Lee College. And as a result of their determination and taking hold of our 4Ds to success, drive, determination, drive, and deliver, these individuals are professionals in a number of different areas in their lives, supporting themselves, supporting their children, supporting their loved ones, and most important, what I tell students, that they have graduated from a college and they are the role models for other members in their community. They are role models for their own children. They have set the foundation now for their children to make a difference in their life and move forward, and that is the impact of education.